family, welcome back. Happy Friday, y'all. And if this is your first time here, I want to say welcome. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button to become a member of this family if you like what you see on here. Alright, y'all, so today's video is very short. I'm here to show you all how you can make turmeric oil for your hair and your skin. So let's start the process, family. So I've already washed my turmeric. Now I'm peeling my turmeric, and then we're going to use the grater to grate my turmeric. After grating the turmeric, I'm going to transfer it to a pot and add in my oil, and then I'm going to set that on the stove top for 10 to 15 minutes. So family, I usually use turmeric in my home, but I use a turmeric powder. This is my very first time using the whole turmeric or the root. What I do is add in a teaspoon of the turmeric powder into my tea and then add some honey. Turmeric is very bitter, so if you are going to be adding this into your tea, then please consider getting your sweetener or your honey. Don't tell me I didn't tell you. So family, I am using a half cup of my grapeseed oil. When I'm done, we're going to transfer that to the pot. You can use any oil of your choice. There's the olive oil, the sweet almond oil, the jojoba oil. There's so many oils out there. You can use any oil of your choice. So that is going to sit on the stove top for about 15 minutes the most, and then we're going to move on to sifting the oil. So here's the turmeric oil. It is ready. Now we're going to sift the oil. Alright family, our last ingredient here is the vegetable glycerin. We are going to add some glycerin into the oil. That is going to increase our skin hydration. It's going to relieve dryness and soften the skin. It is also going to hydrate the hair. So I'm going to add some glycerin, and then we're going to move on to application. So keep watching, y'all. It's application time. So I just got done with Vanessa's hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the oil to her scalp. Vanessa had a birthday, and there's a vlog coming out. I hope you guys can watch the vlog once it's uploaded. So like I said, she had a birthday and she had a blowout on her birthday. So that is her hair 100%. I just got done doing her hair. The only thing that was added was the donut bun. I think that's how it's called. The donut bun, yeah. So I am applying the oil, and I also did Valerie's hair about I think 2 or 3 days ago. That is Valerie. Her hair is still in its natural state. Like I said earlier, Vanessa had a blowout, but Valerie's hair is still in its natural state. Now I'm moving on to me. I'm going to apply this oil to my face. I've already washed my face. Now I'm going to apply the oil, and that's it, family. So turmeric, like I said, is very good. Turmeric prevents hair loss. It fights dandruff. It improves your scalp health. It helps with acne. It also helps with psoriasis and eczema. It reduces dark circles. It prevents premature aging. Turmeric is very, very good for your overall health. So I hope you guys can try it. Alright family, if you made it this far in the video but haven't yet smashed that subscribe button, please consider doing so. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. So that's the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next one. Remain blessed. Bye.